Hey, welcome back to, like, I want to say part 4, part 5. Like I said, if I got a Dark Magician Girl, you know I'll be happy. Brain Control. Formula Synchron. Darkward Descendant. Elemental Hero Honest Neos. And then Vision Hero Vion. Yeah, okay. And nothing too good over there. Then let's move on to the booster packs. Let's do Shadows in Valhalla. Valhalla! So we have Strike Ninja. The one this card, well, it wasn't a card. It was, a dice map. I'm getting tongue-tied. Dice Monsters. Remember, it was Duke Delron. He had that. I don't know if it was in the actual game that you could buy and play. Yeah. Ninjutsu Art of Super Transformation. High Speed Ward Chamber. Okay, I don't know. Goddess Verdian's Guardians. Not really sure. And then we have a Cyber Elite monster. This one I got real off camera because it's too small and shiny. Assistant